Come on, America.
What will win in a drag race between the most luxurious American SUV and the most luxurious British SUV? Well, we're going to find out by racing this Rolls-Royce Cullinan against that Cadillac Escalade V Series over the standing quarter mile. I'm Matt Watson, you're watching Car Wow. Let's see what happens when you've got a 6.75 litre twin-turbo V12 with 570 horsepower. Oh my God, I'm getting dropped.
Come on, America.
It sounds awesome, that does. This is chill. If you're wondering why I'm sitting like this, the seats are broken in this position. They don't move.
Ah, thrashed him.
Well, I thought that was going to be a lot closer because while this is heavy, 2.7 tonnes, that's even heavier at 2.8 tonnes. And we have the same amount of torque pretty much, 850 newton meters, and that has 880, but that horsepower differential is kind of what killed me. Did have a bad launch. I reckon I can do better now. Let's do best 2 out of 3. Anyway, if you want to compare the car's stats, pause the video now, you can see them. Here we go, I'm ahead this time.
Still pulling.
Oh, but he's coming past. I mean, this is just killing this. What happened there? What happened to you, Harry? Did you back off too soon?
I backed off then, yeah.
Even though you've won 2, I reckon you can have a better launch and not back off, and we'll see what the actual difference is between these two cars.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, I just bogged off the line.
It's not even a competition.
My God, he's so far ahead. That was quick. That was actually my worst launch. Darn it. Before we do the next race, let's do a sound check, compare the noise of these vehicles. I think you get more intake noise, actually, than exhaust. All right, Harry, we're going to have a bit of your exhaust. Oh yeah, it's a win. Right, we're going to do a rolling race now, 50 miles an hour. We're going to race over the half mile. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, that sounds good.
Gone.
Oh, I think what's going to be crazy, the next challenge. Oh well, that's a clean sweep so far. There is one last thing to do though, and here your big hefty extra 100 kilos weight may go against you because it's the brake test. This could be embarrassing for both cars actually. Let's see who will set their brakes on fire first. Now we have a brake test from 100 miles an hour. Whichever car stops in the shortest distance wins. If you'd rather watch another drag race with some expensive SUVs, click on the pop-out button there or scan the QR code on screen now. If not, stay here. Hey, go Rolls! Oh dear, oh dear. You lost something, finally. This actually stopped really well, this roller. Yours looked a bit sketchy. It was like he was going to do an endo.
Yeah, I think I could have done that better. I think that deserves a rerun.
No excuses this time. I think that was worse, Harry. What's your excuse this time?
I don't know, I thought you were braking late, so I thought you were calling it off.
I think you lost. Now, you can actually win that car. He's auctioning it off. That's the website address to go to.
hl3competitions.com. Get your tickets for $9.99.
All right, there we go. Oh, I've got an idea. Because obviously you beat the Rolls-Royce overall. I have another European alternative to take on America. All right, Harry. Look what I have here. It's a Lamborghini Urus. Feels like a bit of a cheat because it only weighs 2.2 tons. It's very light and it has a lot of power. Not as much as you though, but it's getting close. So this 4-litre twin turbo V8 puts out 650 horsepower, 850 newton meters. So this is going to be closer. I tell you what, winner takes all. Why not? Yes, agreed. Good. If you want to compare these cars' stats, then just pause the video now. You can compare them side by side.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, gear shift! Windscreen wipers and handcuff. Why is it in that? What? I've lost a windscreen wiper. We don't know what would have happened if I hadn't cocked that up.
What happened there?
Everything went wrong for me. Everything. Let's go again. Not gonna lie, I feel like a complete and utter moron. Let's pretend that didn't happen, all right? You know, winner takes all. You've taken all, Harry. You've taken absolutely everything I've got. My dignity, my self-respect.
3, 2, 1.
Got a good start. No, it's not even close. Okay. Well, Harry, finally, I got there in the end, didn't I?
Finally.
Finally. Now, do you want to see the times? So then what exactly happened? Well, the Lamborghini won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 11.7 seconds. The Cadillac came second with a time of 12.5 seconds and the Rolls-Royce was last. It crossed the line in 13 seconds. Listen, I want to say a huge thanks to Harry for taking part. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.